It's a strange texture.
Uncooked chicken skin.
It's finger meat. I can't believe these are vegan. They're kind of scaring me. Hi.
Okay, so we went to a lot of different Asian supermarkets to try and find kind of all the vegan fake meat snacks that we could find. And this one has 2 flavors.
We basically got everything we could find.
Yeah, let's begin. All right then. So the first one is
Kiss Burn mixed flavor.
So we have this one. This is like braised beef flavor, and like they're all vegan.
Full vegan.
Yeah, they just have meat flavors. And then this one is spicy chicken flavor. So I guess we get 2 each.
The little packaging.
Yeah, everyone is like tiny separate packages.
It seems quite wasteful.
Yeah, it is quite wasteful, but hopefully they'll be nice. But they look cool. So let's try it. This one first.
Braised beef flavor.
Okay.
It's a satisfying open. It just pulls apart. No, it doesn't. It doesn't. It's not satisfying. It stops. It's chewy. Very chewy.
Yeah, I went for the full one.
You went all in. It tastes very oily at the start. Tiny bit of spice at the end there. The spice comes later.
Yeah, it's actually quite spicy when you...
You went all in.
I wouldn't say it's beef flavor.
Is it beef flavor? Yeah, I don't know what braised beef is.
No, me neither.
I haven't really had that, but...
No, I don't. I wouldn't know, but it's very like, I mean, I guess the texture is quite meaty. It's very kind of like chewy. It would more be like some sort of like kind of, if you like jerky, you probably would like this.
Yeah. Somewhat jerky-ish.
Okay, let's try the
spicy chicken flavor. This one's a bit lighter in color.
They're also like, when you open them, they kind of go everywhere. The one just kind of splashes. Yeah.
There's a satisfying like squeeginess to them, which is kind of oily. When you take that first bite, they're kind of like squeezing a sponge. Not in a bad way at all. It's a weird, chewy,
so I'm just thinking
dehydrated.
it's like rats ate through it. I think they did.
What?
Yeah, look. That's okay. In transport, some rats got into it. It seems, or mice. None of the small ones are leaking, so that.
Okay, so nothing got eaten. They just.
So it makes sense that it's in small.
That's
packages.
why they're in small packages. Yeah.
Fair enough.
I mean, everyone needs to eat. I'm okay with that.
Yeah, they didn't. But yeah, they tried.
I tried. Yeah, no, I was saying there's a satisfying squidge. When you take that first bite, it just kind of like releases oil.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, it's like a little sponge.
This one has like that kind of numbing pepper.
Yeah, true. The other one's more like chili spicy.
Yeah.
This one's more peppery.
The other one burns you and this one numbs you. So maybe take this one first
and then
to numb the burn.
Next one.
Changsha Stinky Tofu.
It looks great. It looks
I'm
like it's going to be stinky. Soya is the first ingredient, which makes sense. It's in like Spanish, that's why I'm reading so slowly. And then water and some sort of vinegar and salt and chili. And I don't know what ajo is. Yeah, so I guess the only thing that would be maybe a bit of a negative is that all of them have like a lot of preservatives.
To be fair though, if you buy something in a package like this,
you know that's preservative.
Like that.
Okay, so this comes like with like a weird kind of tray. So I'm not really sure if you're supposed to serve it in here, but we won't. We're just gonna eat it. And
they stick together. I want to pull it. I don't get the pull.
Kind of looks not great, to be very honest.
No, it doesn't. It looks like gravel.
Yeah, it looks a bit like it has bits in it as well. It's like, it's very kind of textured.
It's not that stinky. It smells really good. It smells barbecuey. It smells burnt.
Very different texture. Way more soft, way more like tofu.
It's still kind of terry though. It's still meaty. I've never had tofu like this.
Yeah.
Like it's got that kind of stringy texture to it.
It's good. It's like, also the spice comes after.
Spice catches up, yeah.
I think both of us really like spicy food. And I think we handle it well, but they are spicy. If you don't like spice, not for you.
Okay.
Okay.
What's next?
Konjac shuang.
Sour and hot flavor.
Let's see. I think konjac is like a special thing, actually.
I did a bit of Googling before this, and konjac or cognac, I don't know how to pronounce it. It's a replacement for gelatin and jelly.
Oh. I saw like noodles from it. It's supposed to be like you know those 0-calorie noodles.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Oh, that came off well. That was an easy one.
Ooh, it's kind of like translucent.
Yeah.
That's very good. It's very like pickly.
Very different texture. It's a strange texture. It's kind of like skin.
Yeah, uncooked chicken skin.
It's finger meat.
But the flavor is really nice. I think the flavor here is my preferred flavor.
I can't believe these are vegan. They're kind of scaring me. They're very meaty like.
Yeah.
The meatiest meat.
They are quite meaty. I think it's how chicken skin will taste like. Also, spice comes after. Very like now it's very spicy. In the beginning, sour, and then now it's spicy. It's kind of like cartilage a little bit.
Yeah, that's what it is.
Yeah.
It's
a
like
bit of
it's,
like
it's
cartilage.
knuckles.
Yeah. It's your knuckles. That's
it's
what we're
this,
eating.
eating this. I can't do it. That's what you're eating.
That is, yeah.
A bit there.
If you like ASMR.
Okay, I don't know what this is. Himoyu.
Kind of looks actually similar to this on the picture.
Yeah, it does.
It kind of looks like a bit skin as well. Oh, they're
Oh,
bigger.
they're longer.
Lucky us.
Brighter.
It says hi. Oh, hi.
Hi. Do you want to come down, Lolly?
Let's taste it.
It's totally the same texture.
It really looks like cartilage. It's actually kind of weird. And there's a little bit more cartilage, actually.
How do they do this?
It's very cool. It's actually really weird that there's not more of this anywhere else.
Maybe not the cartilage one, but like...
Yeah. It is good though. Like this one's more spicy. It doesn't really have much more other taste.
The texture is not my favorite. It's too close.
Yeah, I'm not a big fan either. I think that was my least favorite one.
Yeah.
So like this one's different. This one isn't fake meat, but it's like kelp, which is basically algae.
Original and tasty. Crunchy and tasty, sorry.
Yeah, crunchy and tasty.
Hot and spicy.
So looks cool. This is the way you're supposed to serve it, but I feel like it's gonna be another
Probably give me a
tiny
tiny
bag. I love seaweed. I love algae, so I'm definitely gonna love this.
Yeah, I'm not.
Yeah.
That's not me at all. I never have seaweed snacks or anything like that.
It looks great.
I mean, it looks like algae. It looks like seaweed.
It's very good. Very crunchy.
Nearly leathery texture.
Not really.
Because these have a leathery texture.
This do, yeah. This is like...
The first one's had a leathery texture.
Yeah, what kind of crunch is it? It's like...
It's a soft crunch.
Yeah.
It's a springy crunch.
Yeah.
It's like 1% fish flavor.
Yeah.
Which I'm not a huge fan of. Better than the cartilage though.
I really like them.
Really?
I really like them. They're a bit like fresher tasting. I think some of them, like, they're not as oily.
That's true.
So that's nice.
Almost licorice.
Licorice.
Tiny bit of licorice, like aniseedy kind of. Just like a 1% fish flavor, 1% licorice.
Next one is this, and it has no English, so we'll just see here.
It looks like tofu. Soybeans, water, soybean oil, Szechuan pepper, chili powder, and other stuff. Kind of the same type of ingredients.
Yeah, they seem like all very similar actually.
But also wildly different from each other.
Also, like when basically where we got this, they're like vegan ones and non-vegan ones are mixed together. So you really have to look at the ingredients because they look exactly the same.
Yeah,
like, I imagine they taste the same. We haven't tried them and we won't, but
yeah,
I feel like they're very similar.
Because there's ones like this, and then they just have a picture of a chicken on the front.
Yeah, and you can't tell. Like you have to read the ingredients basically. Yeah. So do.
Kind of looks like a sweeter one, like a syrupy kind of.
Doesn't have as much oil. Texture. It seems.
Whoa.
It looks very textured. It looks very weird.
It looks gelatinous. It looks like it's like
bits.
That's really, really meaty.
It's kind of weird because you can definitely taste that it's you know it's tofu.
Yeah.
But
your brain tricks you.
What is it though?
I'd like to give this to someone who eats meat and just see if they would even tell. Would they ask, is this tofu, or would they ask if it's chicken?
Because it's also kind of hard because like after a while of not eating meat,
you kind of forget.
They are very strong. Like it's very strong flavors. Like now I feel like I'm like I don't want to have any more. But they're very cool. Like still. So worst one, this one, spicy cartilage, very strange.
I'm going cartilage as well. Worst.
Then for me, stinky tofu was second to last.
No, I'm going other.
It's kind of boring.
For me, I'm going other cartilage there.
Okay.
2 cartilages for me.
Then for me, it's this one because I think it was just kind of a worst version of this. So this one is my third last.
For me, I'm going kelp there.
Fourth in a row. Is actually the pickly one, like the pickly cartilage, because I really like the pickle flavor.
That was good, but
it's weird texture, but it's interesting flavor.
I'm going braised beef kiss burn there.
And then third, for me, it's this one.
Braised beef kiss burn. I'm gonna go chicken kiss burn there.
And then for me, second is kelp. I really like it. If you like seaweed, you will like this.
I'm going stinky tofu there.
And then the first one is
joint first place. The one that we can't pronounce. That's the best one.
It's very good.
I would have them all again. I probably wouldn't necessarily reach for the cartilage ones.
But they're cool. If someone gave them to me, I'd say yes, please.
Yeah, defo. I made a little bit of
Your side of the table is horrific. Now the last one is
the bonus.
Preserved bean curd in chili oil. It looks very cool. It's basically just looks like bits of tofu in
Lots of oil.
lots of oil.
With like kind of some sort of grime.
There's gonna stuff in the bottom. We can take everything off and then actually see the inside. Let's go.
It's not the most appetizing thing.
No, it looks kind of weird. It looks kind of slimy, actually.
Very oily looking.
Very slimy. I'm gonna try a tiny piece. Very interesting. Very strong. I don't think you're supposed to eat this like that. It is good. I kind of want. It's like something that you kind of want to go in for more.
I have no idea how to explain that.
It's moldy cheese.
Yeah.
It's very moldy cheese. It's like the bluest of the cheeses.
Yeah,
It doesn't taste like tofu. It tastes like the texture is cream cheese with slime. It's like nothing I've ever tried actually, and I kind of want to have another bite.
Go for it.
It's like little squares of it. It's very cool.
Really strong.
It's spicy as well.
Not really spicy though.
Mm-mm.
Slightly spicy.
It's kind of like, you know when like something goes rotten and that's the spice.
Yeah.
It's that.
It's good though.
Yeah.
Like the way we're saying like slimy cream cheese with scum on the side.
No, but it's like I think if you like very fermented flavors, which I love, you like as well.
Yeah.
Like it's very interesting.
This is the sort of thing that would have like tasting notes. Like
Yeah.
like an aged whiskey.
And it's kind of like I feel like it's some sort of taste that you like crave after a while.
Yeah.
Like you kind of like I want to just keep eating it, but also it's too strong to keep eating.
I'm gonna find out what to do with this stuff. Because you can't just eat, surely you should only eat like this.
No, I think it has to be used in something.
Next video, I'm putting that into a recipe.
I think that's fair enough. It's very good. I'm gonna close it so it doesn't
Yeah.
lose its power. Really cool find actually. I think from everything that we've had, this is the best.
It's really good.
Like it's amazing. It's like such a cool flavor. And I think what's kind of hard with like vegan alternatives is to find cheesy flavor. Like anyone who's watching this and is interested in getting it, you should definitely get it because it's like nothing I've ever tasted before.
If you like this type of content, let us know in the comments.
Yeah, we're still in kind of like our trial times.
Yeah, you have the power to influence the direction of this channel.
Yeah.
So let us know how you want to do that. And thank you for watching. Check out our other videos.